Dr. Sally Chambers. I'm a research botanist at Marie Selby Botanical Gardens, and I am here with my colleague, Dr. Sean McCourt, and we are working on a pilot transplant study to conserve the rare cactus Harissia aboriginum. So the big picture here is that this is a pilot study because what we want to do, this is just a subset of the cacti that we're growing, that we're outplanting here. We really want to know the best conditions to do this, right? So that way we can be like, hey, we're gonna go to all these other sites, either add more cacti to existing populations of different genetic diversity, different genotypes, or we're going to augment and create new populations like we're doing here. So we really want to know the best conditions in which to do that. So from our experience in the field, it seems like light is a big factor for determining where these guys grow. I kind of like to call them a little bit like a Goldilocks species because they seem a little picky. Probably one of the reasons why they're so rare, and the fact that they grow so slowly. So in this particular pilot study, we are examining light, herbivory, like your giant cages here, which are awesome. Thank you guys so much for putting all that together. And then plant size, so basically like how old the plants are. We put flags out to denote the perimeter of the caged areas. So we wanted to be nice to you guys and pick areas that were flat and easier to put a cage in. And so then adjacent to that, we're gonna be putting the non-caged areas. So we are currently at Emerson Point Preserve here in Manatee County, and we are very grateful to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and Manatee County, who have contacted us and used our expertise and funded us to come and do this study so that we can help plants that are endangered and threatened in the state of Florida.